Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play throwball well. First, let's master the basics. A strong foundation begins with your ready stance. Stand with your feet about shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, ready to move in any direction. Keep your eyes fixed on the ball, anticipating its path. This balanced position is crucial for both receiving and throwing, giving you a significant advantage on the court. Next, let's perfect your throwing technique. For a powerful and accurate throw, always use an overhand motion. As you throw, step forward with your opposite foot to transfer your body weight, generating significant momentum. Ensure a full follow-through with your arm, pointing towards your intended target. This technique helps you throw the ball with speed and precision, making it harder for opponents to catch. Receiving and passing are vital for continuous play. When receiving, form a soft cup with your hands, allowing the ball to settle gently, absorbing its impact. Immediately after, execute a quick and accurate pass to a teammate. Effective communication is key here. Call out for the ball or indicate your pass. This ensures smooth transitions and keeps the game flowing, setting up scoring chances. Finally, let's talk strategy and teamwork. Understanding your court position and rotating effectively with your team is crucial. Always anticipate your opponent's moves, looking for opportunities to block their throws. Work cohesively as a unit to create scoring opportunities and defend your court. Remember, throwball is a team sport, and coordinated effort leads to success and a more enjoyable game for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.